Success rate of ACL surgery. Today we are going to talk about this very important topic. So friends, there is one type of surgery of ACL in which we use a bio screw or other kind of screws. In this surgery, if we compare the data of all over the world, the success rate is about 70%. So why there is 30% failure in the ACL bio screw surgery? The failure can be because of the infection. The failure can be wrong placement or of the tibia and femoral tunnel, or the failure can be due to the post-operative laxity of your new tendon. As you all know that the ACL we make is from your own hamstring tendon. Because it's a human tissue, it has a tendency to stretch after the surgery. So if you do exercises very vigorously after the screw surgery, or if you by chance slips or get some jerk in your knee after the surgery, there is a chance that your new ligament might get stretched, might get elongated, or might get a re-tear. So these all factors contribute to the failure rate of around 30% in the bio screw or screw ACL surgery. There is second type of surgery which is known as fiber tape internal brace. In this surgery, we put a fiber tape parallel to your new ACL, new reconstructed ACL. This fiber tape is going to prevent the post-operative laxity, tear and elongation of your graft. So basically it prevents the graft from getting elongated, from getting the re-tear, or from getting failed after the surgery till it heals to the bone. So the data shows that the success rate of fiber tape internal brace surgery is higher than the bio screw surgery. So friends, if you have any concern about your knee, if you feel that you have a ACL tear, or if your MRI is showing a ACL tear or anterior cruciate ligament tear, you can WhatsApp us your MRI and we will be very helpful in telling you what should be the best treatment option for you. If you like our videos friends, so do subscribe the channel and like the video.